Here are some tips on staying safe when using the oven. So first of all, using long oven gloves is really great. It protects all of our hands and all of our arms. The next thing is stand back when you open the oven. There will be a big whoosh of hot air and you don't want your face in the way of that. The next thing is make sure that we do not touch the sides of the oven or the door of the oven or the trays of the oven when we're getting things out. The next thing is to have a place prepared to put things down. So if we're lifting things out of the oven, make sure that we've got a place on our surface ready with a trivet or a chopping board, not a plastic one, a wooden chopping board, so that we can put our hot pan down somewhere safely. We want to move quickly but safely. The oven gloves are great, but they will not protect you forever. So we want to make sure that we're swift when we're moving, but not fast. The next thing is, if your oven gloves get wet, do not use them. For some reason, don't know quite why, some kind of science, but the water in those gloves, if they do get wet, will mean that they basically don't work and your hands will get burnt. So make sure you're using dry gloves. But apart from that, stay safe and enjoy. Don't forget there are plenty of tips like this throughout our book. All you need to do is find the tip that you want, get your phone, give it a scan, and that will take you right to where you need to go, or simply follow us for more tips just like this. Enjoy.